Now let us see adjective clause. An adjective clause describes a noun in the main clause. An adjective is a dependent clause that comes after a noun or pronoun and modifies it. It starts with the following subordinating conjunction or relative pronoun: who, whom, where, when, why, how, whose, which. Let us take an example for better understanding. I love the book that you gave me last night. I loved the book is the main clause and you gave me last night is subordinate clause, as it describes the noun in the main clause, that is the book. So adjective is often relative clause which describes some noun or pronoun in the main clause. An adjective clause can qualifies any noun or pronoun in the sentence and it is placed nearest to the word it qualifies. In the above sentence, what is the noun close to the adjective clause? That is the book. So, this adjective clause is qualifying the noun, the book, which precede it. Now, next two examples are there for your self-study. Identify adjective clause and tell which noun or pronoun it qualifies. Here is the slide. It is shown that there are two steps to identify the adjective clause. Through this, you can able to find out an adjective clause in any sentence. Now, let us start with adverb clause. What is adverb clause? When the subordinate clause tells you more about the verb, that is about when the action is done, where the action is done, and then subordinate clause is a adverb clause. In simple words, an adverb clause tells us about action which is done in the main clause. Moving on. An adverb clause is a dependent clause that works as an adverb in the sentence. It qualifies the main clause and tells us why, when, where, and how the action happens. Since it is dependent clause, it starts with the subordinating conjunction. Now, there are 7 types of adverb clause as you can see on the screen. First type is adverb clause of time, adverb clause of place, adverb clause of condition, adverb clause of reason, adverb clause of purpose, adverb clause of concession or supposition, and adverb clause of manner. Now let us see it one by one. First one, that is adverb clause of time. Now, this kind of adverb clause are introduced by subordinating conjunction like after, before, as soon as, just as, no sooner than, since, till, until, when, wherever. Let us see an example. I will call you after the meeting gets over. Now, what is the adverb clause, children? After the meeting gets over. How do you identify it? First of all, an adverb clause starts with above subordinating conjunction and after is one of them. Secondly, this clause tells us the time of an action, means it tells us more about the action in the main clause. Here, main clause is I will call you, but when after the meeting gets over. Okay, children. So, it is adverb clause of time. Now, next clause is adverb clause of concession or supposition. Adverb clause of concession or supposition are introduced by the subordinating conjunction such as though, although, even if, even though, whereas. Let us see an example. Though I am poor, I am honest. Here, an adverb clause is though I am poor and main clause is I am honest. Here, it indicates two contrasting ideas or situation. Moving on. Next type is adverb clause of place. Here, these adverb clause of place are introduced by the subordinating conjunction where, whereas. For example, they can stay where they are. Here, adverb clause is where they are and main clause is they can stay. So, this adverb clause tells us more about the action, that is to stay. Correct? So, it indicates the location or position of something. Adverb clause of place answers the question where. Next type is adverb clause of purpose. This type is introduced by subordinating conjunction like so, that, in order, that, such, that. Let us understand it by an example. We eat so that we may live. Here, adverb clause starts with so that, which tells us the purpose of main clause. And what is the main clause? We eat. Next type of adverb clause. Next type is adverb clause of result. This kind of adverb clause is introduced by subordinating conjunction like so that, such that. Now here is an example. He is such a good man that all respect him. Now here children, adverb clause is that all respect him, which tells us the result of main clause, that is he is such a good man, and that is why we all respect him. So now in the next slides I am explaining these kinds of adverb clause with few more examples children. Now first one, after I graduate I will go to USA for further studies. Dependent clause after I graduate. And this is the adverb clause of time because it shows the time of the action which is there in the main clause. And what is the action? I will go to USA for further studies. This is the action. Next example, you may sit wherever you like. Dependent clause wherever you like. This is the adverb clause of place because it tells us the locality. So, wherever you like is the adverb clause of place. Next example, the common man cannot buy onions since they have become so expensive. Dependent clause since they have become so expensive. This is the adverb clause of reason. Why the common man cannot buy onions? Because since they have become so expensive. Next slide. Children, our next example. Few business houses are more visionary than the house of the Tata is. Now, dependent clause than the house of the Tata is. This is the adverb clause of comparison. As these are the two ideas. These are the two quantities which are being compared. So, than the house of Tata is the adverb clause of comparison. Next example. People keep food in refrigerator so that it doesn't get spoiled. Now dependent clause so that it doesn't get spoiled. This is an adverb clause of purpose. Next one. Next example. If only we hurry, we can catch the train. Now dependent clause is if only we hurry. This is an adverb clause of condition. Here condition is given. If only we hurry, we can catch the train. This is a condition. If we are not in hurry, we can't catch the train. Last example. Since he is very good friend of mine, I will help him in his need. Dependent clause. Since he is very good friend of mine. This is an adverb clause of reason. And that is why I will help him because he is of my good friend. So here children, we have completed the clauses with the examples. So children, I hope you understand all clauses thoroughly. Children, whatever self-study questions I have given in some of the slide, do it in your notebook. So thank you for watching it. God bless you all.